Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy kimchi. First, we prepare the napa cabbage. Cut one large head of napa cabbage into 2-inch pieces. Next, dissolve 1/2 cup of sea salt in 8 cups of water to create a brine. Submerge the cabbage in this solution for about 2 hours, allowing it to soften. After salting, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold running water to remove excess salt. This crucial step ensures your kimchi has the perfect texture and flavor balance. Now, let's create the vibrant kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of Korean chili flakes, also known as gochugaru, with 6 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. Stir in 1/4 cup of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 4 sliced green onions and 1 grated small apple or pear for a touch of sweetness. Mix everything well until it forms a thick, aromatic paste. This is where the magic happens. With your paste ready, it's time to combine the flavors. Put on some gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Add the rinsed cabbage to the bowl with the paste. Using your hands, thoroughly mix the paste into the cabbage, ensuring every single piece is evenly coated. This step is a bit messy but essential for flavor distribution. Once mixed, pack the kimchi very tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Your kimchi is almost ready. Leave the jar at room temperature for 1 to 2 days to begin the fermentation process. You might see some bubbles, which is a good sign. After this initial fermentation, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. The cold temperature will slow down fermentation, allowing you to enjoy your kimchi for up to several weeks. Serve this delicious, tangy, and spicy homemade kimchi as a fantastic side dish with almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.